will turn cities into urban oases.
Data is the engine of the livable city.
We're not just design thinkers, we're design doers.
Make change happen, make green common.
Let's design a fairer city, one that puts pedestrians before cars.
The ideal livable city for me is a city that is diverse, for people of all backgrounds, people of all ages. When you live in a city that has that kind of vitality and that kind of vibrant richness, that for me is the ideal city.
I think design always can enhance livability, and it goes from understanding the problem to implementing strategies. But if we talk about design as architecture or the design of spaces, they're contributing to this overall sensation that a city is more than just a function or place to live, but it's a reflection of the best of our society.
An ideal livable city would be one that supports the health and well-being of all its citizens in an equitable and holistic way. So that means thinking about their health in terms of physical, mental, social, spiritual health.
You can think about many aspects of a livable city. It's about transportation, it's about energy, it's about public services and so on and so forth. But ultimately, the key important thing is feedback from citizens. And so again, sometimes I say, there's no smart city without smart citizens.
Putting people first.
A better future for all.
Let's go design
a livable city.
See you at KODW 2019.
See you at KODW 2019.